In this video, I'll be showing you how you can adjust your download settings on your UC browser. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your download paths, how you can find stuff you've downloaded on your mobile phone via UC browser, and a lot more. So now let's get going with the tutorial. All we need to do is tap on the hamburger menu in the bottom middle. You can see your arrow there, just tap on that. Now to our left corner, bottom left, we tap on our setting button too as well, and I can see download settings. Yes, let's tap on that there. Good. And just like I said, you're going to talk about your path and how you can find your stuff. So you can see the path there, SD card, UC downloads, and the rest. Just tap on that default path. Good. And now let's set it to our storage here. Good. You can see this is my mobile phone storage, and this is the files I have to my downloads. So I select that, and now it will move from my storage to my download folder. So anything I download will be in the UC browser downloads in my download on my mobile phone. Simple and easy as that. So now I come here, you can see my storage. I didn't save it, so let me come back and let me do it again. Storage, and then download, and then okay here, and that's it. You can see it has changed. Simple and easy. So that's it. So anytime you download something on UC browser, just move to your storage, your downloads. You see a UC browser folder there. You open it and you're going to find your downloaded stuff on UC browser. That's it on how you adjust your download settings on UC browser. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.